Okay, I see what happened to this connector. These two go together, but it's really easy for this to get outside the base. If it gets outside, there's no connection. So that thing got bent somehow. It could have been right in the car, and then when they shipped it to me, that thing somehow slipped. So this has to move over. Make sure it stays over, and then connect it like that. So we should get continuity on my ohm meter when I go across it now. Where's my? There we go. So that's resolved.